So here's how to make money with the new Whop app. This app seems to be pretty cool, unlike other competitor apps like School, if you have used it before. So Whop is a platform that allows creators or businesses and also entrepreneurs to monetize their content and build communities. You can basically sell anything from digital products to subscriptions and even host communities with custom features. You can also integrate your own AI or tools to be used by your own community, and this allows you to do it. This new WAP application, unlike School, but they're very similar in other concepts, which I think both are designed to help you build a loyal following and earn money. But this one brings new features to the table. So if you go to the Discover section, you can see the content rewards here. They are offering people or content creators to post content on target platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and X, and they pay you relatively higher per 1,000 views. I mean, it's always above the average of those platforms for this content type. And basically, they are asking for different type of contents. For example, this one is asking for faceless content. This one for UGC, for the user generated content. And this one is for clipping, which is basically uh, looks like a content creator, which is paying $10,000 budget for people to clip his content and post it on social media or TikTok or YouTube, and he's paying $2 per 1,000 views. Now, um, now clipping is basically when you take long format content videos and you chop it up into small clips, especially for Instagram Reels or TikTok Shorts or even YouTube Shorts. And it depends on the campaign here and what they ask for. If you click on it and click join, it should prompt you up to enter some details. Let's say click on WAP UGC here, join list. For example, here they want you to need to have a minimum of 100,000 views on social media before you actually apply and they accept you in here. And they want you to put a link to your account or your best post that proves the minimum views count here. And in this case, they're only targeting USA, UK, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand creators. They're asking you for your location to confirm this and whether you have your face in the content or not. That's it for this one. Now you can click on show all to see other campaigns or offers from different content creators, and sometimes you might even see very popular content creators in here posting offers, um, looking for people to clip or make UGC about their digital products and stuff like that. So what you can simply do is choose one of these offers, and you should especially look for offers from content creators and then see what they pay for per 1,000 views, the RPM. For example, Iman Godzi here. I'm looking for people to create UGC about uh, his content here, I think, or he might be offering a digital product, and then he's willing to pay $15,000, which is 26% here fulfilled. You can basically join here and see what they ask for, and you can fill out all this form and the video or the video edited link. But basically, these content creators generally ask for less conditions then companies, for example, like Whop here, they posting offers about their own website to get more recognition, I think. And yeah, you can also, if you don't want to take the content creation route, you can basically look for or create communities, private communities in here. And the good thing about this is, like school, you can build private communities, which means people pay to join the community, and it's usually a subscription based. But the good thing about it is members of your own community can refer other people to your community and get paid for that. So you basically, it's a win-win condition. You get new customers and your people or your own community earn for referring other people to join. And it offers also multiple features such as scheduling for people who are willing to do um, appointments or stuff like that online, which is very possible in this platform. You can also add chats, affiliate programs to your community, and rewards based on random chance, chat, voice chat, live streaming, and a variety of other things, which is actually amazing. And I don't think I've ever seen it on any other platform. You can also go back to the Discover section here and scroll down to see what's happening now or other events. You can also see live streams. You can also see the submissions of other people here submitting for these campaigns or offers.
I just hit 26,000 views on this 30-second video, and here's how much this platform paid me. So the platform is called Whop.
For example,
they've been running
this video right here is talking about Whop and talking about this campaign, which is paying him basically 3.5 per 1K, and he got, as you can see down here,
for
472,000 views, which basically paid him
views just
13K, which is pretty much about 70% of the goal of 20K.
To make content about
so they be posting offers like this pretty much all the time, of course, until the campaign threshold or budget is met. So the offer disappears, and then they potentially post other offers like that, because I've read on the news here they're willing to spend over $600,000 on basically making ads for their Whop platform. So it's a good opportunity for people who actually know how to create content on TikTok or Instagram or similar platforms. You can see what have people submitted. For example, this guy have submitted this video, which got 1.9 million views. They're paying $1 per 1K views, and he got paid 6.5K.
It's free.
Or this number potentially means the total amount of the campaign that has been currently paid, but this right here on the top is the earning, which is the amount earned for this user, which makes sense, 1.9 for 1.9 million people. That's it. So guys, the link is going to be on the description below if you want to join and start earning money with Whop. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.